Dear Lisa, feels like a good day to recreate a makeup look of yours. It's one of my favorites. Kinda just doing it because I want to. I'm not a makeup artist. That's a thing I feel like I should specify. Nor do I really desire to be. But I do love makeup. The feel of it as I slip it onto my face. So, here goes. I'm not going to really talk through what I'm doing. I couldn't begin to improve upon what you've done, so instead, here are some thoughts of mine. This past September, I left my job to pursue that ever elusive thing, my dreams. It started out as good as could be expected. I traveled to South Korea to work on a documentary, and I did and saw so much there that I couldn't possibly contain it in this video. Well, then of course the harder part began, the part where I'm home now and I have to turn that dream pursuing into something substantial, or have it all be for nothing. I'm surprised at how easy it is for it to all be for nothing. How one can begin to miss the trappings of a safe office job. How easily one can forget that safe feeling is part of why one set out on such a course to begin with. I have given up the idea that achieving what I was after would be easy. I stopped with that whole looking at my peers as a means to measure myself, as if they had been granted success by the will of some god who fancied them. There is so much more to it than that. Before any accolade, there is pavement to walk, doors to pound on, and incessant demanding through creation of work that people accept the one thing that you know to be true about yourself, which is that you can do the things you set out to do. Make art, paint faces, tell stories, contribute in your own small way to the fabric of the human narrative. Well, that's why one leaves a safe job with good dental coverage and a retirement plan, because the romantic adventure voyage that dream pursual appears to be is for the most part a dreary push uphill in the mud and the rain. I'm not really sure where I'm going with all this. I think I know. I guess I just need to say I see dream pursual for what it is. Sometimes a sacrifice, sometimes a burden on others, sometimes unwavering fear that what you're doing will all come to nothing. But sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes that work pays off. And truthfully, it doesn't really matter how much you dream or how hard you work, because for me, I know that not doing it would be the source of a profound, unending heartache. And so I weigh that, I guess, against that feeling of safety.